Good morning. Here I will read a motion regulates import motion. The government import 5,100 tons of rice from Vietnam and Thailand to establish the price of rice in the market. This policy is enforced by the government to immediately control the rate of increase in rice price. Because I live in state in will have impacts on inflation, which will ultimately burden the people. However, some critics oppose this policy. The rice import policy is concentrate not the ring solution, but rather pose pressure on farmers. So it is natural that a number of local governments and local government simulation refers the entry of imported rice. The government, in this case, the Minister of Agriculture and the Minister of Trade, is weak in coordination and expression, so that they are unable to intervene in the market and to control the food stock in the market. Positive impact of the rice import, which was taken by the government, is that Indonesians of security is aggravated and the country rice revenues are safe.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Here I will real the motion in the debate. The government imports 500,000 tons of rice from Vietnam and Thailand to stabilize the price of rice in the market. The policy is an effort by the government to immediately control the rate of increase in rice price because if left it will have an impact of inflation, which will ultimately burden the people. However, some parties oppose the policy. The rice import policy is considered not the right solution, but puts pressure on price. So it is natural that a number of local governments and local farmers simulacons reverse the entry of import rice. The government, in his case the Ministry of Agriculture and the Minister of Trade, is weak in coordination and supervision, so that they are unable to intervene in the market and to control the food stock in the market. In his debate, we strongly disagree with the motion. We don't agree with the motion because if the government continues to import rice from outside, it will cause agricultural production in Indonesia to be unable to be export because of the right gapper of rice import from Vietnam and Thailand.
The government decided to import rice to maintain stock availability, smooth supply, and stabilize rice price. The government made this policy to ensure the availability of the rice throughout the years. Amid fears of the food crisis, especially during a pandemic situation. Sudah.
The negative import of rice import is felt by local rice from West Trade connect complaint with import rice. We saw Rice risk the is product in or one on three rate. The only rate on import. Why are farmers burning for of to grow rice if they end up importing if or only countries?
The government put forward rice import policy with various underlying reasons. First, this rice import policy is carried out to meet the needs of domestic rice stock as an effort to maintain smooth supply and price stability and to anticipate a food crisis. Second, rice production in each province is uneven, giving rise to areas with a surplus and deficit of rice. So the government imports. The government does import. It's known that rice import have a positive impact on the welfare of land-owning farmers. Indonesian people can enjoy rice of high quality and relative cheaper price. The Minister of Trade, Muhammad Lutfi, said that the government needs to import rice to maintain national rice stock and stability price.
The policy of importing rice is not considered the right solution, but rather puts pressure on farmers, so it is natural that a number of regional government and local farmers simultaneously reject the entry of imported rice. This is because the Ministry of Trade of policy to import rice does not match the data presented by the Ministry of Agriculture. When compared with the consumption needs of around 2 to 5 million tons per month, there will be surplus of 329,000 tons. In addition, the average national demand for rice reaches to 5 million tons per month. Meanwhile, the import of 5,000 tons of rice is only sufficient for 6 days of national needs. Therefore, it is hoped that there will be an increase in national rice production when Indonesia enters its peak rice harvest rate in February. If the rice is 3 months old, January means harvesting, so February will enter the peak harvest period.
I will conclude the results of our debate as a pro-team. The government did not make a mistake in importing rice because the type of rice imported was specially to ensure the availability and suppress the price of this commodity in the country. Import this to fill the supply. There is no fear of food shortage. Currently, the price is rising sharply in the market. The government actually immediately launched a market operation by supplying bulk reserve rice to the market. With the aim of the community, there is a choice: the availability of affordable rice, because the pressure of price increases is interval to be tried up to premium quality rice. Therefore, the government does not want to take the risk of stock storages that have the potential to be speculative, so they immediately take steps to import.
To conclude the result of our debate as a pro-team. So there must be an increase in rice production due to the addition of rice fields, construction of tertiary irrigation, and normalization of irrigation channels and reservoirs, as well as distribution of superior seeds with the government import. It will increase the productivity and index of planting from once to twice a year.